Chapter 4. Premispace, Thinking Inside the Box. Shape and Form. No matter how future generations will look at space usage of particular premises, space will always exist in some shape and form. That's thinking inside the box, within the boundaries of the premises, otherwise known as premispace. The trick is to understand how to optimize the premispace within the confines of serving users, the community, environment, and investors. Premispace is synonymous with project, the remaining P from the three Ps, and defined as follows. Premispace. A multidimensional space-time revenue unit generating income within the real estate premises, using the three physical dimensions of space, length, width, and height. The fourth dimension covers the time applicable to ownership, possession, and benefit. Premises usage tied to economics. Linked to two key components forming the complete definition of the real estate premises word ecosystem, based on the premi prefix, combined with a description suffix including
Thank you for listening to the sample audiobook. Full version available by purchasing on Amazon.com and other booksellers.